and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use before and after scan on the Instagram. So right now it's very trending on the Instagram. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and you have to log into your account. Once you will do it, you will see your story on the left top. So you have to click on the your story and go to camera. Once you will do it, your camera is here. Now you have to select any filter and you will see this type of the pop-up. So you have to click on it. Now scroll up and here you have to search for the browse effect gallery. Now effect gallery is here, so you have to click on the search bar on the right top. Now here you have to search for the before and after. Once you will do it, you will see filter on the first, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, video is here. Now you have to click on the try it, or you can simply save it for future use. So click on the try it. Once you will do it, now you have to add media from here. Now let's suppose I select this and now record a video. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.